In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Signal messages or conversations on Android. First, begin by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm going to tap on it to open it. Once open, locate the conversation that you'd like to delete a message for. So I've got a contact called Note to Self, which is my notes to myself. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. In this conversation, I have a message that I'd like to delete. So my first message in this chat is hi. If I want to delete this message, I just tap and hold on it, and then I'll have the option to delete at the very bottom. To delete this message, I'm just going to tap on delete, and it's asking me delete selected message. I'm going to tap on delete to delete this message. So the message is now deleted. Now let's say I don't want to go through all the messages and I just want to delete the entire conversation. Then I'd simply go back to my conversation list and locate the conversation that you'd like to delete. So in my case, it's Note to Self. I'm just going to tap on it and hold, and then I'll have the option to delete the conversation. I'm going to tap on delete, and it asks me delete selected chat. This will permanently delete the selected chat. I'm going to tap on delete to delete it. And there we go. I no longer have any chats or conversations anymore in my Signal app. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to delete Signal messages or conversations on Android. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you